Number 7. Well, that's a trinomial. I know I'm going to have to factor that. I know that as soon as I see it, I'm like, got to factor. All right, so x-intercept, y-intercept. It is a parabola. It's going to swing down like that and cross in 2 spots. So how do we find those 2 spots? Well, let's think about this spot right here. You've moved over some amount, but you know that you moved a height of nothing. You know when it crosses the x-axis, the y value is going to be set equal to 0. And vice versa, when it crosses here, you've moved over none and down some amount. You don't know how much. So you know here the x value is going to be 0. So let's use that. So f of x, which is nothing more than y, okay, so we have 0 because y is 0, is equal to x squared plus 21x plus 20. We want to factor that. Well, if we break down 20, we have 1 and 20, 2 and 10, 3 and nothing, 4 and 5. And we can see it's the 1 and 20 because those add together to give us that 21 in the middle. So it's an x plus 1 and an x plus 20. If 2 things multiplied together equals 0, one of the pieces must be 0. So I know either this x plus 1 piece is 0 or this x plus 20 piece is 0. Subtract 1, x must be negative 1. Subtract 20, x must be negative 20. So I know it crosses at negative 1, 0, and it's going to cross at negative 20, 0. Now for the y-intercept is always a piece of cake. X is 0, so we have y equals 0 squared plus 21 times x, which is 0, plus 20. Do all that, you're getting y is what? 20. So it crosses at 0, 20. Get an idea of this graph? He's crossing at negative 1 right here and negative 20 out here, and then at a height up here. So what he's doing is he's swinging in, hitting and going like that. Gives me an idea what it looks like. I don't ask you to graph it. I'm just asking for the x-intercept and y-intercept, but common sense, we can look at it and get an idea what's going on.